Hi everyone, it's Madhusudan Chandarasekaran here with FinTrainers. So today we're going to be looking at one dynamic array function, the sequence. Okay, let's assume we have these list of employees, and as an HR, you have to create employee IDs for these people. And in this scenario, you can do the usual, drag thing that we typically do. So let's assume the employee ID starts with 100 and then it increases after that. So you could do those multiple options we have to create that list. Right, just drag like that. You can have a calculated field where you just add one above that and then drag that. But this is not dynamic. So tomorrow if I add another employee, I'm not getting a new ID, right? So it is static. So let's see if we can make it dynamic using the sequence function. So the sequence function can be used in a static way as well. So here we have 8 rows, but the top row is a header, which means we have 7 employees. So I can just say 7, and it's going to give you 7 numbers, right? If you want to go one step further, so this particular rows is the mandatory input that we need to give, the number of rows, right? In this case is 7. But if I want to give the starting to be at 100 and the step to be 1, that is how we did it previously. So it starts at 100 and then you add 1 to it. So you get like that, right? So 100, so plus 1, and it is dynamic. You don't have to drag it. It is a skip function, so it will automatically add 1 until the number of rows you have input here. Now to make it dynamic, instead of this static 7 here, we can count the employees in column B using the count A function, right? So that will give you 8 rows, but we have the header employee, so we'll have to subtract 1 from that, right? So we'll subtract 1 from that, and so now it's going to be 7 rows, right? But the good thing is now it's dynamic. So tomorrow I'm going to add one more person here. I don't have to do anything. The employee ID gets auto-populated. So this is the sequence function, very useful, and you can do a lot more with it. You can also obviously concatenate some text prior to that and then have the number after that. But very useful. It's dynamic. If you're not using in your day-to-day workflow, definitely consider using it. So yeah, if you have any other topics you want me to create a short video, or let me know in comments, and if you have any questions related to this sequence function as well. All right, all the best.